No,
She want half
I don't
pound.
want pound. It's a half pound. No. Right. Right. I told her, you know. You see? I told her that I want one more. One nice one, man.
All right. Let me.
One. Pick up one nice, tough one.
All right. Let me see if I learn it. Welcome back to Market Bag. This week we're back at Coronation Market and I'm joined by veteran shopper Beverly. Hi Auntie Bev.
Hi.
You're going to teach me how to get the best value for my money today?
Sure.
All right, ready to do some shopping?
Yes.
Let's go.
Go.
Clearly you're the veteran here. What are some tips you can give me when I'm shopping in the market?
I'm saying, when you're shopping in the market, look for the brighter color things. I mean, firmness, freshness. Because these are, when you cut them, you can cut them and put them in meat. Flavorable. Potatoes now, like these. Pretty good potato. Clean potato. They don't look for the one that have holes. And so I wouldn't buy those. I buy the one that is clean. So I'm very picky when I'm buying.
All right, we're going to see if I'm learning now. So let me see. This is good.
Yeah.
So how I get the best value for my money now? Like I come to the market, I know even though this is the lowest of the cost, they're going to still up the price. So how I get the best value for my money?
You can, some people have time to walk around and check prices first.
So you don't call on the price then?
Depends on what. What's per pound for your yam, sir?
Alright, I want yellow.
Yam is
500 him, sir? Well, I have to call on the price.
Expensive.
Not from this.
You're
kind of out of the budget.
Get the 4? All right.
Wait, one second.
Come on. Because it's like this now. You look and you look and you see it's looking clean and nice. Okay.
Auntie Bev, how is market culture now compared to when you were a little girl?
Well, I think we have improved. Because usually when I used to go to market with my mother and grandma, we used to just have everything there on the ground. But now it's more official. You can keep have stalls and you can walk in. Because usually we go to market with my banana at market because as my Tom or Joe will have banana. Sometimes we get free banana or cocoa. So you don't go for certain things. That's vegetable or seasoning. You understand? Even meat, we didn't used to buy meat at market.
Auntie Bev, how was your shopping experience today?
Very good, because prices are very reasonable. And I buy more than what I really needed.
And I got a lot of shopping tips from you today. And I know I'll be using them and I know our viewers will be using them. So until next time, guys, bye.
Bye.